Welcome to Bookmarks, talking about The Order of Time by Carlo Rovelli. And let's talk about time zones. They're a relatively recent invention, and it's no coincidence that they came in with the invention of rail travel. The train and the telegraph brought in the need for coordinating clocks, and with that came the need for innovation. Albert Einstein started his career in the Swiss Patent Office, specifically looking at ways of coordinating clocks between train stations. No one can know for sure, but it's easy to imagine that Einstein's famous train thought experiment, which established the relativity of simultaneity, was inspired by meditating on just this problem. Just to explain the relativity of simultaneity, it was an idea that Einstein had that was very influential. It was an observation that simultaneity, or the idea that things happen at the exact same time, is not absolute. He puzzled this out by thinking about two people, one an observer on a railway platform, and the second a passenger on a train speeding through the station. The train is struck by two bolts of lightning at the exact same time. One hits the back of the train and the other hits the front. The observer on the platform observes the bolts of lightning hitting simultaneously. But for the passengers speeding through the station, for them, the light from the bolt at the front of the train comes first, and it takes a while after for the light from the back of the train to catch up. The bolts do not appear simultaneously for that person. Thus, the relativity of simultaneity. I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but it's also a thing. An important thing that Einstein figured out by getting lost in thought. So don't be afraid of getting lost in thought. Maybe you're not lost. Maybe you're just going on a journey that no one's ever gone on before.